Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Thursday, May 30, 2019. We have arrived at the Vermont launch ramp only to discover that because of high water, none of the docks are out. The ramp is actually officially closed. That's not deterring us. We will float her off and float her back on. But it's a beautiful sight to see this wonderful Lyman back in the water for the first time in at least 20 years. The engine's running well. What the guys are doing right now is adjusting the stuffing boxes, both in the rudder and the shaft log, so that we get just a little drip of water coming in, and that will lubricate the rudder and the prop shaft. So now it is time to set this camera right here and just let it run while we float her off. We're not too excited, we forgot. She's floating though. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I think I can just put you on that. Are you far enough to the starter? Get off this. Woo. Look at that go. She's in the water, under her own power. Floating nicely. Here she comes for her first pass. Nice bow wake. Look at that bow wake. Just as sweet as can be. Here she comes. Blind date. Ready to give her family hours and hours and days and months of incredible pleasure. What an honor to have been assigned the challenge of preserving this wonderful 1957 23-foot Lyman Runabout. Blind date on Lake Champlain. This is a Gray Marine M45 with a really great thermostat system, which allows the engine to warm up even in cold water. Here she comes once again. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? Wow. Listen to that growl. Trapper has her tuned up. Putting a little sugar to her now. And you notice that she's demonstrating the famous Lyman soft ride. The water's pretty rough out here. Not so much right in here close to shore, but out there where they are. And that wonderful lapstrake hull, round chines, just cuts through the chop, keeps her flat, giving her occupants a ride to remember. We just filled her tank with ethanol-free premium fuel. I would never put ethanol adulterated fuel into any engine, and in particularly into these old flathead 6s. It's the worst thing you can do to them. Cleaning the carburetor made a huge, huge difference. So, with her coming in one more time, we'll say, blind date, you passed the test. You're ready to go. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.